Hey AI bros, imagine typing a single idea and watching it come alive like a real movie, complete with characters, camera angles, emotion, and movement. Not pre-rendered, not animated, but performed in real time by artificial intelligence. This is not the future. This is happening right now with Vidu Q2, the next generation AI video model that's changing how digital stories are made forever. Let's dive in. Alright guys, welcome back to the AI Bros channel that keeps you on the edge of what's possible in AI and creative tech. Today we're diving deep into Vidu Q2, a model that doesn't just create videos, it performs them. This is a major leap from AI-generated clips to full cinematic performance powered by neural precision and visual intelligence. If you've ever wanted your concepts to move, act, and feel alive, you're about to see how Vidu Q2 makes that happen. Compared to the previous model, generation speed is now up to 3 times faster. Customizable duration now extends from 2 to 8 seconds instead of being fixed. Facial detail accuracy is improved by roughly 40%, and overall consistency beats Sora 2 by 25% in frame stability and motion precision. And did you know Vidu Q2 can generate a full cinematic video in as little as 20 seconds? That's right, from idea to finished clip faster than you can grab a coffee. So what makes this model such a massive upgrade? Let's start with the big one, reference to video. This is the headline feature of Q2 and it's launching globally right now. For the first time ever, you can upload up to 7 different reference images and let the AI intelligently blend them into one seamless, coherent video. You can include multiple characters, objects, or environments, and Vidu Q2 will connect them all into a unified cinematic scene. It recognizes how each reference relates to the story, keeps proportions, lighting, and angles consistent, and merges everything naturally. Competing systems struggle to maintain coherence even with 2 references, while Q2 handles 7 with precision and artistic balance. This isn't just technical progress, it's a creative breakthrough. Imagine uploading several character portraits and a few props, then typing a prompt like 2 explorers walking through a neon jungle at night. Vidu will understand relationships, body positioning, lighting direction, and even emotional tone. The generated result feels like a professional short film built by a real director, not a random sequence of AI images. And that's not all. The model also refines its image-to-video system introduced recently, now with more stable transitions, sharper frame coherence, and extended duration control. You can use image anchors for the first and last frames to maintain structure throughout, while the AI dynamically animates everything in between. Let's talk about what happens under the hood. The Q2 model introduces a completely redesigned motion engine that enhances camera zooms, pans, and dolly movements. Videos now feel cinematic instead of synthetic. The system tracks subject movement logically, adjusting framing as if a human cameraman were behind the lens. Combined with new facial expression dynamics, characters display subtle emotional reactions that align perfectly with tone and action. It captures eye blinks, micro-expressions, head tilts, and natural gestures in a way that looks authentic instead of robotic. Speed and control also got a serious upgrade. Vidu Q2 renders content much faster than previous generations thanks to its improved inference engine. The model interprets meaning contextually, which means it no longer misreads creative instructions. It doesn't just match words literally, but understands narrative logic. When you describe a cheerful announcement scene or a cinematic action moment, Q2 adjusts lighting, framing, and expression style automatically to fit the vibe. Creators also get more control than ever before. With extended video length settings, you can choose short clips for social media or longer segments for storytelling and tutorials. The new interface allows smoother editing, faster re-renders, and clearer previews so creators can iterate efficiently. And with optimized cost per generation, Q2 is now about 30% more affordable than previous models, with special early access discounts for users who comment Vidu below to join the first wave. Now let's talk pricing, because Vidu's subscription system is surprisingly transparent and flexible. The free plan gives you 10 references per month, ideal for testing the system. The standard plan costs $8 a month, billed yearly as $96, and gives you 800 credits, good for around 200 videos, plus high-resolution generation, watermark-free downloads, and 50 monthly references. Premium costs $28 monthly, billed yearly as $336, and includes 4,000 credits for up to 1,000 videos, 100 references per month, faster generation, and commercial rights. The ultimate plan sits at $79 a month, billed yearly as $948, delivering 8,000 credits monthly, 300 references, ultra-fast generation, free off-peak submissions up to 200 videos daily, and up to 55% credit discounts. All paid plans include access to prompt editing pro mode, multi-video generation, and early feature access. When you line this up against rivals like Kling or Sora, Vidu's pricing gives more credits and stronger creative control for less money, especially with the ultimate plan that effectively unlocks studio-level output for under $80 a month. Now let's look at where this technology fits into the bigger picture. The reference to video update will officially mark the transition from AI-generated visuals to AI-performed storytelling. This feature positions Vidu Q2 as the global leader in controllable video generation, combining creative direction, emotional realism, and multi-reference synthesis in one unified platform. If you compare it with standard image-to-video generators, Q2 operates at a higher semantic level. It doesn't just animate pixels, it understands relationships between characters, background elements, and motion cues. For influencers, brands, and studios, this means creating fully coherent story sequences, product videos, or cinematic promos that feel consistent across every frame. Even the details are carefully thought out. The facial realism engine is trained on an expanded data set of high-resolution human motion captures, which boosts the authenticity of smiles, glances, and speech patterns. The camera system mimics professional setups, giving every shot a smooth, directed feel instead of chaotic, random motion. And despite all this complexity, generation time has been reduced dramatically, cutting production wait time by more than half compared to the previous model. Vidu's focus is clear: to make AI filmmaking accessible, controllable, and visually stunning. Whether you're an indie creator, a marketer, or a studio experimenting with next-gen storytelling, Q2 is built to give you speed, realism, and flexibility in one ecosystem. It's also designed with affordability in mind, so anyone can produce cinematic content without needing advanced equipment or editing software. There are still some challenges, of course. Extremely abstract or emotion-heavy scenes may require fine-tuning, but those minor limits fade in comparison to what this model achieves. The trajectory is obvious. We're watching the dawn of AI-performed storytelling unfold right now. So if you're ready to experience it yourself, sign up through the link in the description and Vidu will grant you extra credits plus a free upgrade to test the Q2 model firsthand. The only requirement is that the Vidu watermark appears at least once in your videos so the world knows where the innovation came from. And by the way, guys, I wanted to mention that Vidu is releasing a video extension function, allowing users to extend generated videos and add extra scenes. I've been testing Vidu's new update and it's insane. You can try it too and get 100 bonus points when you sign up. This is your chance to step into the next phase of video creation, where creativity meets performance. Subscribe for more deep dives into the most advanced AI models reshaping our world, and tell us in the comments what you'd create first with Vidu Q2. Because from now on, AI doesn't just generate videos, it performs them. All right, that's all for today, guys. Take care. Bye.